It is important that your business works for you, and for that you need to focus on growth activities and not get stuck with day-to-day chaos. In this video, I'll be talking about 3-step process that you can use in your business and in your life to plan your each quarter effectively. Hi, I am CA Piyush Bansal. I help business owners optimize their business and life. Let's jump into the video. So the entire video would covered into 3 steps. One would be the conceptual part, then would be the actionable step, and then would be the call to action. So the first concept that goes along with this is the concept of chunking. Chunking is a method of getting big things broken into small pieces and digest it slowly, small, one at a time. In a similar fashion, we need to plan our yearly goals into quarterly structures and the quarterly goals into monthly and weekly and in day format. Once we are able to break all our goals and our activities into similar fashion, we are able to create more result and more output in the given period of time. Second concept I want to talk about is the key focus areas. It is very essential that you know what are your key focus areas. As a business entrepreneur, you need to be clear with what is your exact job role and what are the activities that you need to focus on. Among those activities, it could be your brand building activities, brand authority activities, getting new clients could be your focus areas, team and culture could be your focus area, setting up systems and process in your business could be your focus area, or business development could be your focus area. So it is very much important that you are aware of what are the key focus areas in your business and what is your role as a business owner and which focus area that you need to work on. Having to know that, the third thing is that you need to understand there are 2 types of activities. One are the maintenance activities and another ones are the speed activities. Now, what is maintenance activities? Maintenance activities are all those activities that you do week on week basis, day on day basis, which is your routine activity. This does not add up to the optimization or efficiency of your business. It does not increase your profit margin. It does not increase in sales. It is just plain simple maintenance activity which you keep on doing. And second is the speed activities, which are realistically growth activities. These are all those activities that that optimizes your business for growth, better revenue, better profit, better customer service, and all those areas. In order to get most out of your time, it is important that you spend more time on growth activities rather than on day-to-day maintenance activity. So now, once we are aware of these basic concepts, let's jump into the actual content of it. So the first step that you can use to plan your each quarter effectively is first define your revenue goals. Now, your revenue goals can be defined into following format. It could be increase in sales by your X magical number, increase in customers by the number that you want to give to it, increase in profit margins by, now this could be the percentage that you can talk about. It could be for increased by 1%, by 2%, 5%, and so on. And lastly, increase in owners pay by this number. Once you are able to define and customize your revenue goals for each quarter, this will give you a good insight and good clarity for rest of the 3 months of how and where you want to reach. With the given numbers that you have right now, you will be able to do a gap analysis and understand where you are and where you have to reach in the coming 3 months. This will give you a really good insight and clarity of what are the focus areas and what are the activities that needs to be done to achieve these revenue goals. Second thing that you need to do is identify 3 focus themes for the given month. Like for example, right now we are sitting on July, and if I would do this activity in June, then for July, August, September, I would, out of these focus activities, I would define theme for this specific months. Say for example, in July, I will talk about performance. In August, I will take client value and results. And in September, I'll be talking about brand awareness. So these are the 3 themes that I'll be putting into my business and getting it done. Now, this is the actual planning which I have done for my business for this coming 3 months, and this is something which I am sharing with you so that you can get a better clarity of how it's done. So for each month, I'll give a specific theme, the focus area that I need to take and build systems or activities around it. Once we are aware of what are the themes that we need to do, next you need to identify 5 activities for each of these themes. Now these would be those activities that are crucial for getting your business into the next level, to speed up the results that you are creating into these areas of operations. Like for example, in my business, under performance, I've been talking about I'll be taking up these 5 activities, that is identifying matrix and scoring systems for my internal team and clients, building scoreboard. Now first I've identified the matrix and scoring system, and then comes the scoreboard where I'll be actually monitoring and tracking my performance on day, week on week and month on month basis, both at the team level, at the client level and at the organization level. Third thing that I want to look at is automations. I want to automate my communication channels, which are mail, my Slack channel and the Zoho, the accounting system that we're using for our clients. Fourthly, we'll be setting up systems for client feedback and status updates, so that we create more transparency within our clients and get up-to-date information of what is the area that we need to work upon. And then setting up recognition and reward system for our internal team members. So these would be our focus activities for the given month, which would be for July. Similarly, under client results, these are the 5 activities that we'll be doing. And under the brand awareness activities, these are the other activities that we'll be doing. So once we are aware of what are the focus activities and 5 key activities, this way now you can put them as a mission critical activity for each month. You can also refer one of my video which talks about planning, how to plan your month and week and days accordingly. The link to the video would be below in the description, and these activities will become your mission critical activities for the given week, and you can start allocating these activities in the respective week and get things done. So once you are aware of this, you will be able to plan your each month more effectively and get more things done to speed up the growth of your business. If you have liked all this content that I've been making, you can also subscribe to our newsletter, the link of which would be below in the description column. And as a system, we are practicing. What we are doing is we'll be creating one quality video of like this, which will be created by myself based on my experience and understanding of how things are, how we are optimizing our business in that context, and how you can use it in your business reference. And these videos will go to you each week, and you will be able to access them and get a better utility of it. Also, you will be able to get the PDF version of this slide share that I've been taking care of, and into the respective newsletters. So sign up on the newsletters and do like us and subscribe the channel. Thank you.